Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a couple of things. One, I'm going to show you how I made this turkey sliders right here, and then also the croutons that I on top of the salad. I'm going to also show you how to kind of make your own. If you making the salad and you discover you don't have croutons, never fear, I'll show you how you can make them at home. So if you're interested in seeing how I put this Anytime Fun Time meal together, then keep watching. Hey family, how's everybody doing? So on the counter I have everything that I'm going to use today to make this really Anytime Fun Time sandwich and salad. And so starting with my cheese, I stopped at the deli section and I picked up some. This is a quarter pound of white American cheese, and then in here I have like half a pound of this is honey glazed turkey. For my sandwiches I prefer to use like the sliced meat and cheese from the deli as opposed to the packaged cheese, but you know, you feel free to use whichever one you want. I have a stick of butter here. I also, for my sandwich, I'm going to use these dinner rolls. Again, use whatever type of rolls that you want, but these are the Pepperidge Farm soft country style dinner rolls. So I'm going to use that. And then to make my croissant for my salad, I picked up this Italian bread, but same thing, just use whatever type of roll that you like to make your croissant. I have two types of tomatoes here. I have a whole tomato as well as my cherry tomatoes. So these are for my salad. This is for my sandwich. I mean, you can technically use this for both, but I just, you know, with the whole presentation thing. So anyway, I have these cherry tomatoes, which I need to use them up anyway. I also have a red onion that could be used for both. And then I have my cucumber here for the salad. Also some cherry, and then I'm using romaine lettuce for my salad, and then here I have my grapeseed oil. Okay. And so, yeah, with that being said, I think I named everything. Let's get started with putting together this anytime snack or meal. Okay, so since I just need a small amount, I cut my bread in half. And so now what I'm going to do is start to cut this up in square-like pieces. G Squad. So here, here's our turkey, grilled turkey sandwich, and here's our salad. And I'm just going in now and just adding some of these delicious croutons that I just made. I believe I called them croissants earlier. They're croutons. So these are the nice crispy croutons that I made from the garlic bread, and the bread was already seasoned, so I didn't have to add any seasoning whatsoever. And then now here, right here we have our turkey sliders. So I'm going to actually cut, let me see, cut part of this. Okay. Alright. That's what the slider looks like. Whoop. So I'm going to add it on the plate with here, this salad, and this is my lunch. Okay, so you just add your favorite dressing. And comment below, what's your favorite dressing? Do you like ranch, blue cheese, Thousand Islands? Like, comment below what your favorite dressing is. But yeah, so here we are, our, lunchtime, dinner time, sandwich and salad. All right. There we go. So G Squad, I hope let me move this out of the way. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, you know what to do. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Be blessed, stay positive and well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.